Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Printer Spooler service is not working after update. Okay, so please click to start type service. This is first step. Right click to run as administrator. Then press P for Printer Spooler. Okay, select this and stop it. Okay, and then double click to open it. Then select the automatic and then click to start. And then click to apply and then click to OK and then it's close. Then guys, next method, open file explorer. Then guys, go to C drive and then find out Windows, then system 32. You can press S so it will come directly, system 32, and then spool S. This is spool. Open it and then printers. Click to continue. So guys, it will showing any driver. So select all and delete it. Okay. And then close. Then next, run troubleshooter. Click to start. Go to setting. Then system. And scroll down. Troubleshoot. Other troubleshoot. And then you can see printer and then click to run. Okay, so minimize it. Then guys, next restart Spooler via command. So click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator, open it and then type this command net stop and Spooler and then hit enter. Okay, so after that second command, this net start Spooler and then hit enter. Now it is starting. So printer Spooler service was started successfully. And then type SFC space / scan now and then hit enter. So this command will restore and repair your system. Okay, so it will take some time, depend about your system configurations, but it will 100% completed. Then guys, try to second one. This is so important for your system. It will restore your health. So second command is dc restore. Okay, then hit enter. So this is command fully. Same, it will start the percentage, then it is completed, then restart your system. After that, go to check your services is working or not. Please comment me. Thank you guys.